Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our trainer will give you a brief overview of content marketing. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Over the last few decades, technology has greatly evolved and will continue to do so for the years to come. This notably changed the way people approach things, including marketing. From the birth of the World Wide Web in 1989, companies have gradually transitioned to the internet to reach a bigger demographic. Now, with over 4.8 billion people using the internet every day, it's no surprise that online marketing is the king of today's advertising. The most popular type of online marketing is content marketing. Content marketing is designed to stimulate the interest of individuals by creating and sharing media to promote products or services. Major forms of content marketing include infographics, blogs, social media posts, and lead magnets. If you want to learn more about content marketing and use it to your advantage, this is the guide for you. Module 1 focuses on the benefits of content marketing and why you should use it. In Module 2, we will give you the best tips and strategies to create an effective content marketing strategy. Finally, in Module 3, we will enumerate the best content marketing tools that you can use. By the time you finish this course, you're ready to unleash the power of content marketing in your business. According to HubSpot's survey in 2020, 70% of marketers are actively investing in content marketing. 24% of marketers plan on increasing their investments in such a strategy. When asked the value of content marketing in their business, 40% marked it as very important. What are the other latest statistics about content marketing? 94% of marketers use social media for sharing content. 91% of B2B marketers use content marketing. Videos have become the most commonly used format. 87% of video marketers say that videos have increased traffic to their website. 89% of content marketers use blog posts in their content strategy. 84% of marketers say that using infographics is highly effective. These statistics speak for themselves. If you're still relying on traditional marketing such as magazine ads, TV commercials, or cold calling, then you're definitely missing out. In this day and age, where everything is fast-paced and efficient, you want to make sure that your marketing strategy is keeping up as well. Why should you use content marketing? What are the benefits of using the strategy? Here are the top 3 reasons. Builds brand awareness. If you're new to the industry, building brand awareness is most definitely your biggest challenge. On the other hand, if you just released a new line of products or a new type of service, getting people to try it can be a real struggle. This is where content marketing enters the picture. By creating and sharing relevant content that appeals to your target market, you can generate fresh, practical topics that are in line with their problems. When you convince them that purchasing your product or service can help them solve their problems, you'll be able to upsell more products and services while building trust and establishing your brand identity. Increase site traffic. By providing valuable, well-researched content to your target market, you'll gain a reputation of being a website with credible and up-to-date information. When you create helpful, share-worthy content, more and more people will spread the word through their social media. This helps you to reach a wider demographic and get more people visiting your site without spending more on paid marketing. Additionally, having credible information such as blog posts help you implement a guest blogging strategy. Guest blogging, also known as guest posting, basically means writing content such as blog posts for another company's website. Guest blogging creates backlinks on different sites, which, in turn, boosts your brand authority and improves your organic traffic. This is very helpful for your SEO strategy. Moreover, having more site visitors means that you'll be exposed to a whole new audience that might turn to new prospects. Drives direct conversions. This is pretty straightforward. When your target market is fully convinced with your product or services, they can become potential leads. Conversions can be seen through signups, account creations, downloads, form submissions, and of course, creating a sale. Transforming your site to contain compelling headlines, striking copies, eye-catchy images, and clear CTA buttons are essential to generate more conversions.